Magdalena here to talk to you about a couple reasons why many traders both succeed and fail in the market. First of all, getting into trading is fairly easy. You can open up an account pretty much at any brokerage. This can also be a deficit though, because you do need to have some knowledge in getting into trading. Otherwise, you're likely to go ahead and lose money. So first, I recommend studying the market and studying the price action and volume. Second of all, you want to trade with proper risk management. If you jump into trades with your whole account right off the bat, many times you'll get lucky, but after that you're going to go ahead and start losing money if the trade goes against you. Which brings me to the third one, which is trading with a plan. If you don't have a plan of your proper entry and exit and understanding where support and resistance lie in that stock, you will likely lose money, which is why it's very important to practice with proper trading, risk management, stops, entries, and exits to help you profit. Please remember that no investments are guaranteed, and trade with proper risk management and do your due diligence prior to trading. Thanks for watching.